Simple moves that make her fall deeply for you. Falling in love isn't always about grand gestures or expensive gifts. Sometimes, it's the little, consistent actions that touch her heart the deepest. If you want her to truly connect with you, not just for a moment, but for a lifetime, it starts with how you make her feel every single day. Number 1. Listen with your full attention. In a world where everyone is distracted, giving her your complete attention is rare and powerful. When she speaks, put away your phone, look into her eyes, and truly listen. Not just to her words, but to her emotions behind them. This makes her feel valued, understood, and safe with you. And that's where real attraction begins. Number 2. Respect her boundaries and dreams. A woman falls for the man who respects her space, her individuality, and her ambitions. Don't try to control her. Instead, inspire her to chase her goals. When she sees you as her supporter, not her limitation, her trust in you grows unshakable. Number 3. Show confidence without arrogance. Confidence is magnetic. It's about knowing your worth without belittling others. Stand tall, speak with purpose, and lead with calm strength. When you believe in yourself, she'll naturally start believing in you too. Number 4. Be consistent in your actions. Mixed signals kill attraction. If you say you'll be there, be there. If you promise something, deliver it. Consistency builds reliability, and reliability builds love. Number 5. Protect her peace. Be the man who brings her calm, not chaos. The world can be stressful, but when she's with you, she should feel like she's home, safe, comfortable, and at ease. In the end, making her fall deeply for you isn't about manipulation or tricks. It's about being a man of value, integrity, and warmth. When your words match your actions, and your actions come from the heart, she won't just like you. She'll trust you, respect you, and love you in a way that lasts. So, start today. One small, genuine move at a time.